We know that one of the skills we must have to be successful is a good communication skills. Here we have 5 communication habits that can ruin our value. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wealthy My Circle, the place where you transform your life and unleash your greatness. My name is Vera, and today we would love to talk about the 5 communications habits that we should pay attention to that can ruin our value. In communication, there are things that we are aware of and there are things that we are not aware of. The things we can do and the things that we should not do. That's why communication courses are sold with high prices, because it's one of the skills that we need almost in every aspect in our lives. In dealing with business partner, while starting a relationship with someone, in networking, and how you present yourself. So here are the 5 communication habits that often we are not aware of but can ruin our value. The first is judging people. During a conversation with people, let's learn to listen, what they are saying, and what is the meaning behind what they are saying. Don't be so easy to judge people. It will make you be seen as an uneducated person, and that way it can ruin your value. The second one is not listening but only talking. You dominate the conversation by just talking. If you want to know more about one person, you want to share your message, you have to learn to listen. When you are selling your products or you want to promote your services, you have the time to talk about it. But your customers, they don't want to know about your products or services. What they want to know is if your product or service can solve their problems. They are not interested in the products you offer. They are only interested in solving their problems. For instance, you're selling slimming products. If you just show the great testimonials, they are not useful. The most important thing is if this product can help them trim their unwanted fats. That's it. If you listen to them, how are their eating habits? How are their lifestyles? At what time do they get up? At what time do they go to bed? You get to know what is the root of their problems so that you can analyze and give them the solutions they want. You get to know more by listening than by talking. The third one is exaggerating. For example, the price of a residence in this area is $500,000 and you say it's $1 million. People will directly know that you are bluffing and you mark up a high margin for that. It's not suitable for the market price. So make sure about what you're talking for people to build a trust in you. The fourth one is to keep on complaining. People already have so much in their lives, in their workplace, and when you are complaining, you're sending out negative vibes. And we don't like to surround ourselves with negative people. People are already tired with their life loads and they become more stressed by listening to you complaining about something, except you are a psychologist. Negative vibes can ruin our mood and our relationship with people. And people also judge your value from this. The next one is forcing your opinion or desire. If you are a person who always likes to force your opinion so that other people will agree with you, without a discussion, no one will want to be your friends. And your value will be based on how comfortable is someone when they are with you and how they connect with you. So that are the 5 tips I want to share with you. They're simple, but when you apply them, it will make a big difference in your life. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell to get notified when I post my new videos. And make sure to check out the resources I've provided for you in the description below. Have a great day and see you in the next one.